recording your process.
All right. I'm now picking a name. A lot of fifth graders left.
Fourth grade's up there, Betty, if you want to...
I got fifth grade. They look pretty weak over there. They need some help.
Okay.
So I've got fifth grader Priscilla. Flores. She's the last one on the list. She's a size 12 with medium socks. I'm on my way to get my backpack. Purple.
Documenting your process.
So I'm going to get Priscilla all set here. She's a size 12 shirt, 2 shirts. It's 2 shirts. She's going to get 1 pair of size 12 pants. Here we go. Nope. I almost put Priscilla in tight pants. So she's got size 12 pants. We're going to get her a size 12 short. What are we doing? There you go. Size 12 sport. And she's got medium underwear.
Saw that teamwork there.
Medium underwear. What is a medium underwear? Is that